Part 7. Speak with confidence. Sound natural in English. Many learners know English words. They know grammar. They understand movies. But when it is time to speak, their voice becomes weak. Their mind becomes empty. Their confidence disappears. The problem is not English. The problem is confidence. In this part, you will learn how to speak English with confidence, clarity, and natural flow. Section 1. Confidence comes from action, not talent. Confidence is not a gift. It is a skill. You don't become confident before speaking. You become confident by speaking. Every sentence you say makes the next sentence easier. Silence builds fear. Speaking builds confidence. Section 2. Speak even when it's not perfect. Waiting for perfect English is a trap. Perfect English does not exist. Native speakers make grammar mistakes, forget words, change sentences, but they keep talking. Fluency is movement, not perfection. Section 3. Speak slowly to sound strong. Fast. Speaking does not mean good English. Slow speaking means clear thinking, better pronunciation, more confidence. Slow down your voice. Speed up your confidence. Section 4. Use simple but strong sentences. Natural English is simple. Instead of, I would like to express my personal opinion, say, I think. Instead of, in my point of view, say, for me. Simple English sounds confident. Section 5. Use fillers like a native speaker. When natives think, they don't stay silent. They say, well, let me think, you know. These fillers give you time and make you sound natural. Silence creates stress. Fillers create flow. Section 6. Body language builds. Speaking power. Confidence is not only voice, it is also posture, eye contact, relaxed shoulders. Even when recording alone, stand or sit confidently. Your body teaches your mind. Section 7. The daily confidence speaking drill. Every day, speak for 5 minutes without stopping. Topic ideas. Your day, your plans, your opinion. No stopping, no correcting, just speaking. This builds speaking muscle. Section 8. Accept your accent with pride. Accent is not a problem. Accent is identity. Clear English matters. Perfect accent does not. Many successful speakers have accents. Confidence makes your accent beautiful. Section 9. Confidence changes how people listen. When you speak with confidence, people listen more. People respect you. People understand you. Confidence is louder than grammar. If you want to speak English with confidence and power, like this video, subscribe to build real speaking skills. Comment, I speak with confidence. Your voice matters. Your English deserves to be heard. Teaser. For Part 8. In Part 8, you will learn how to speak English in real conversations, what to say when you don't know words, how to keep conversations alive. You are very close to real-life English fluency. Part 8. Real conversations, how to keep talking in English. You start speaking English. The first sentence is good. The second sentence is okay. Then suddenly, your mind goes blank. You don't know what to say next. The conversation stops. This part will change that. In this lesson, you will learn how to continue conversations, even when your English is not perfect. Section 1. Conversations are not exams. Many learners speak English like they are in an exam. They think, is this correct? Is my grammar perfect? Real conversations are not tests. They are connections. People don't listen to grammar. They listen to meaning. Section 2. Use conversation openers. To start a conversation, use simple openers. How was your day? What do you think about this? Can I ask you something? Simple questions open long conversations. Section 3. Use the echo technique. Very powerful. When someone speaks, repeat one word and ask about it. Example. Person. I traveled last week. You. Traveled. Where did you go? This technique buys you time, shows interest, keeps conversation alive. Section 4. Ask follow-up questions. One question is not enough. After every answer, ask why. How? Really? Example. I work in an office. What do you do there? Questions are fuel for conversation. Section 5. When you don't know a word, don't stop. Use explanation. Instead of silence, say, how can I explain? It's like, the thing that communication is more important than vocabulary. Section 6. Use short reactions to sound. Natural native speakers react a lot. Use, oh really? That's interesting. I see. These small reactions show attention, reduce pressure, make you sound fluent. Section 7. Use simple stories. Stories make conversations alive. Use this structure. 1 when 2, where 3, what happened 4, how you felt, keep it simple. Section 8. How to change topic. Naturally. When a topic ends, say, by the way. That reminds me. Speaking of that, this keeps the conversation moving. Section 9. Accept silence calmly. Short. Silence is normal. Don't panic. Take a breath. Smile. Continue. Confidence fills silence. Section 10. Daily conversation practice. Very important. Every day, practice a 5-minute conversation. You can. Speak alone. Record yourself. Talk to AI or a friend. The goal is flow, not perfection. If you want real English conversations, like this video, subscribe for practical English comment. I can keep talking. Your English is alive. Let it speak. Teaser for Part 9. In Part 9, you will learn English for work and real-life situations, professional phrases, how to sound confident in meetings and interviews. You are entering advanced real English. Part 9. English for work, interviews, and real life. You may know English words, but when you enter a meeting or sit in an interview, your confidence disappears. This part will fix that. In this lesson, you will learn real English for work and life. Section 1. English at work is simple work. English is not difficult. It is clear, polite, short. You don't need big words. You need clear communication. Section 2. Professional greetings. Use these phrases. Good morning, everyone. Nice to meet you. Thank you for your time. Simple greetings create respect. Section 3. Talking about your job. Use this structure. I work as a ESI. I am responsible for such sides. I usually sides. Example. I work as a teacher. I am responsible for students. I usually plan lessons. Section 4. Meetings. Speak with confidence. Useful phrases. I agree with you. I have a suggestion. May I add something? Speak slowly. Clear is powerful. Section 5. Giving opinions politely. Use soft language. In my opinion, I think this is a good idea. Maybe we can try. Politeness shows professionalism. Section 6. Saying no politely. Never say just no. Say, I'm afraid I can't. That may be difficult right now. Let me think about it. Respect is key. Section 7. Interviews. Strong answers. Use the STAR method. Situation, task, action, result. Example. I had a challenge. I took action. I solved it. Keep answers clear and short. Section 8. When you don't understand, never stay silent. Say, could you repeat that, please? Can you explain that again? This shows responsibility, not weakness. Section 9. Simple email English. Use this structure. Greeting, purpose, action. Thanks. Example. Dear, I am writing to. Please let me know. Thank you. Section 10. English in real life use. English at the airport, in shops with neighbors. Every place is practice. Section 11. Confidence is more important than grammar. People remember your confidence, your attitude, not small grammar mistakes. If you want professional English, like this video. Subscribe for real-life English comment. I speak with confidence. You are ready for the real world. Teaser for Part 10. Final part. In the final part, you will learn how to think in English, how to stay fluent forever, your final English mindset. You are very close to English freedom. RT10. Final think in English, live in English. You started this journey with doubt. Maybe you thought, English is too hard. Fluency is not for me. But look at you now. You are still here. You are listening. You are learning. This means one thing. You are capable. Section 1. Stop translating. Start thinking. Fluency begins when you stop translating. Don't think in your language, and then change it to English. Think directly in English. Start with small thoughts. I'm hungry. I need water. I'm tired. Simple thoughts build fluency. Section 2. Daily English mindset. English is not a subject. English is a habit. Do one small thing every day. Listen for 10 minutes. Speak for 5 minutes. Read one short text. Consistency beats talent. Section 3. Mistakes are your teachers. Every mistake teaches you something. If you never make mistakes, you are not learning. Speak wrong. Learn fast. Improve daily. Confidence grows from action. Section 4. Your voice matters. Your accent is okay. Your grammar is improving. What matters is your message. Speak with respect. Speak with courage. Your voice deserves to be heard. Section 5. English changes your life. English gives you better opportunities. Global connection. New confidence English is not just a language. It is a bridge. Section 6. Fluency is a long-term skill. There is no finish line. Fluency grows slowly, but it stays forever. Don't rush. Don't quit. Trust the process. Section 7. Your personal English plan. Create your simple plan. Daily listening, daily speaking, weekly review. Write it down. Follow it. You don't need perfection. You need direction. Section 8. You belong to the global world. English connects you to the world. Different cultures, different ideas, different futures. You belong here. Final message, very emotional. Remember this sentence. You don't learn English to be perfect. You learn English to be free. Free to speak. Free to learn. Free to grow. If this course helped you, like this video, subscribe for your future self. Comment. I am fluent in progress. This is not the end. This is your beginning. Take a breath. Smile. Your English journey has officially begun. End of course.